Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Firefox is a browser that's been here for a long time. It is now the only browser that is not Chromium based. It used to enjoy quite a good market share in the past and lost all of it. And it's even worse as we're looking at 1 year of Firefox. I took out all the other browsers here and kept only Chrome, which is at the top at 75% in May 2026. So, I mean, 3 out of 4 users are using Chrome. This is pretty nuts. Now, Firefox, which did enjoy, I believe it did go up to the like 30%, at least 30% market share at some point, lost and is losing still year after year. And if you look at the beginning, Firefox in May of 2025, last year, was 5.8%, 5.9%, June 5.8. But look at that, it's slowly dropping and losing its market share. As of this May 2026, it's now only at 3.8%. And so it's kind of weird that they're losing market share when you look at other browsers that are close to it, that are pretty much maintaining their market share. So Firefox and Mozilla actually decided to do kind of a roadmap. I'll share this link if you want to go and check it out. It's so it says the Firefox Roadmap, see and shape what's next for Firefox. And so it's actually giving a roadmap of things that it wants to do and things you can learn more. There are things you can try now, and they want to have your feedback. They want to know what are they doing wrong, what are they doing that is going to maybe save the browser, because at the rate that it's going now, if things continue like that, I'm afraid that at some point in time, Firefox might want to kind of, just abandon. What's keeping Firefox afloat really is that they're being paid to use Google search. But that's pretty much the only thing. So I don't know what can happen. We have seen that now Chrome is going to actually stop Manifest V2 from working on Chrome. Manifest V2 is a set of rules of extensions. This is how extensions should behave. On version V3 that now they have, it actually punishes some extensions, including if you're using a ad blocker. It kind of breaks ad blockers like uBlock Origin. So you might think, well, maybe Firefox could be an alternative, but it doesn't seem so. It seems like people prefer going on some other browser than Firefox. And I mean, the second biggest browser is Edge, and Edge is, barely 10%. It's not really gaining that much momentum, actually. It's going up and down. So this is interesting. I don't know what's going to happen to Firefox, but it doesn't look good right now. It really does not look good for the future of Firefox. So I'll share this page if you want to go and check it out. Maybe help Mozilla with Firefox, improve it. Who knows what can happen. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.